Turn on studio lights. Hey, it's Joseph here. Let's go ahead and unbox this one. I have experience with a Jabra product before, and I have reached out to them about this specific product, and they were able to send me a free sample for the review purposes. So what I'm about to say is based on some research and the experience with just unboxing this device. So on the box, it is apparent this product's name is Evolve2 85. So this is the most flagship model that they have, top of the line stuff. Some marketing words include engineered to keep you focused, the best headset for concentration and collaboration. And for the feature, it has ANC, active noise cancellation, and 10 microphone technology. I'm assuming there's 10 different microphones built into the headset for the noise cancellation stuff, and up to 37 hours wireless battery life. And some additional features are highlighted on the sides. It is 40mm speaker for immersive music, busy light visible from all angles, and works with leading UC platforms. UC, I'm assuming some sort of conference call platform. And they have exceptional engineering, superior sound for 150 years. And some history behind the brand, I suppose, on the back. And it is designed and engineered in Copenhagen. I did not know they were based in Copenhagen. Anyways, let's go ahead and peel this up. Welcome to Professional Sound. So on the flap, it appears to just describe what the part of the headset is doing, and then nice carrying case included, along with some paperwork of warning and declarations. First of all, it has the logo on the case, so it is sort of a rubbery feel. It is kind of like leather textured as well, and it's got a little thing so that it is easy for you to carry. And there's a zipper, very nice overall black finish, and there's also a pocket. And I have not seen this in a while, but you used to use this double prong for the planes, but I suppose I'm not going to use it, let alone we're not riding planes all that much. And there's some included cable. This one is USB-A to USB-C cable, so I suppose this would be the charging cable. And then 3.5mm, the regular audio cable, 3-pole on both sides. And inside the carrying case, there's this divider, and it's held by Velcro, so I suppose you can undo that. I like the case. And overall quality of the headset is really good. It snaps in place. The construct is plastic, but it is not those cheap type of plastic. And overall, it is very soft. There's a sponge, and it is sort of the PU leather or the fake leather type ear cups as well. Very spongy. And there's some stickers. Undo the plastic peel. And there are some more. I guess this one tells you what the buttons do. And then the last one on the back, that one holds the microphone. Okay, all the plastics removed. It's all black finish and slight touch of silver on the sides. And as you saw, it sort of folds and just sort of snaps in place. And the ear cups kind of fold down to flat. But you can also put it in the carrying case like so. And obviously it extends to accommodate bigger heads. I do have a big head, so I hope that fits me. And there are some buttons that are around the headset. I'm gonna have to find out what they exactly do. But on this side, it was sort of volume up and down key with a middle selection button, or maybe just to pause and play type of button. And then there's also sort of different button that I see on the other side of the ear cup. And then I see power button versus Bluetooth, and then USB-C port, and then 3.5mm headphone jack that we can put in. And on the one side, I can also see this microphone. So this microphone is normally tucked in, but it just comes out as you pull it out like that. I really like that. And then you can also rotate to aim better at your mouth, I suppose. And there's a little button at the tip of the microphone. I am assuming that's sort of the mute button. So the microphone is on the right side of the ear, and this is how you look like. So the seal is very well done, even without turning the headphone on. Pretty much can't really hear any sound. And my ear tucks nicely inside the cup, so it is very comfortable. Oh, and I also noticed that there is a button right here. Okay, let's go ahead and turn it on. And as there are a few buttons, I'm gonna move this so that it is turning on. I hear a little bit of sound.
Go to the Bluetooth menu of your mobile device and select the Jabra product from the list.
And it says battery medium, no device connected. And there's a button for me to control the ANC and then hear through mode. Okay, let's go ahead and connect Bluetooth and test how it sounds like. And then it says Jabra on my phone, so I'm just gonna connect that one.
Connected.
It says it is connected. Okay, let's also test out the microphone. So that's neat. So as I take it off, it just pauses the song. And then as I put it on, it actually detects something and then turn it on. As I fit the ear into the ear cup, it just plays the music by itself. And as I take it off, it pauses by itself. That's quite neat. Okay, let's go ahead and test out the Bluetooth microphone quality. Microphone testing, 1 2 3 1 2 3. As I start recording and speaking through the microphone, I can hear myself better and I can rotate the microphone. And as you can see, the red light is on the headset saying that I'm actually using the microphone, perhaps in a meeting or something. Microphone testing, 1 2 3 1 2 3. As I start recording and speaking through the microphone, I can hear myself better and I can rotate the microphone. And as you can see, the red light is on the headset saying that I'm actually using the microphone, perhaps in a meeting or something. So hopefully you guys were able to hear the difference between this microphone versus this one here. Again, this one kind of twists like this so that I can kind of aim it towards my mouth and then also just tuck it in if I wanted to. And as it tucks in, it's going to be not much visible to you. And obviously it is going to charge through USB-C cable, which I have here. So I can just connect to the USB-C spot and you're gonna see a green light here. I'm actually not really sure what this button does. That is to answer or end call. And if you wanna have sort of a charging dock, that is available as an option, as it has a little 2 conductors here for you to charge the headset. But I'm gonna be fine just charging with USB-C cable. I know for sure it does connect through the 3.5mm headphone jack, this one here. So connect one end to the headset and then the other end to your phone or the laptop or your computer, whatever the device may be. And because this is 3-pole design, it is only going to have the output of a sound, not the input of microphone, I understand. And I am liking all the materials around the headset. It is very soft and comfortable. And the ANC works really well, and I really like how as you wear the headset, it sort of detects your ear into the ear cups and then resumes the songs for you, and as you take it off, it just pauses the songs for you. And also the microphone works as a functioning one to a mute, so you can do mute and unmute by just swinging the microphone on, in and out like that. And as you're on a call, it tells you that you are in some sort of conversation by having the red light on the device. So this kind of sums up the quick unboxing and review video of Jabra Evolve2 85. So I hope you have liked this content. If you did, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you want to continue watching these type of videos. Thank you so much for watching. As always, I'll see you next time. Bye.